Welcome to my YouTube channel SL All. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Introducing the all-new Infinix Smart 8 Pro, a smartphone that redefines excellence with its revolutionary camera, powerful battery, and premium features designed for the modern user. With a 6.6-inch AMOLED display and a stunning 120Hz refresh rate, experience visuals like never before, vibrant, smooth, and immersive. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing, every interaction feels seamless. Photography enthusiasts, get ready to be amazed. The Smart 8 Pro features a 332 megapixels main camera, complemented by 20 megapixels and 12 megapixels secondary sensors, delivering DSLR-like photography right from your pocket. And for selfie lovers, a 38 megapixels front camera ensures you always look your best. Feel the sound like never before with dual Dolby speakers. Whether it's music, movies, or games, enjoy a truly immersive audio experience with rich, balanced stereo output. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Equipped with a massive 7,300 mAh battery, the Smart 8 Pro is built to keep up with your lifestyle, offering days of use on a single charge. Powered by 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, the Smart 8 Pro ensures you multitask effortlessly. And with 5G connectivity, enjoy blazing fast internet speeds, low latency, and reliable network performance wherever you go. Designed to deliver flagship-like features at a competitive price, the Smart 8 Pro combines innovation, style, and affordability into one irresistible package. The Infinix Smart 8 Pro, a smartphone that promises to redefine expectations. Launching between March and April 2025. Stay tuned for the official announcement. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget subscribe, like and share video.